Hi everyone. Today's lesson builds on yesterday's. So you can see that today's is drafting 3 reasons to prove your claim. Yesterday, just kind of quick review, you thought about your claim that you came up with on the 16th, and you went to your text set that went along with your claim, and you found 3 websites that you're going to be able to use to prove your claim, and you filled in some information. So you're going to use these websites today. Let me go back to today's. Here we go. So for our assignment, we need those websites. Today what we're going to be doing is typing in our claim. You can look at my example right here. And then coming up with 3 broad facts or 3 reasons that will support this claim. And we're going to be using these in our paragraphs of our essay later on as we continue with this process. This reason will end up being in one paragraph with evidence. Reason 2 will be in another body paragraph with evidence. And reason 3 will end up being in a third body paragraph with evidence. Because of this, your reasons should not have any statistics or quotes from experts or any detailed examples. These will come later. In fact, tomorrow you'll start working on this. Today, all you need are broad statements that support this claim. So here's my example. My claim is social media is beneficial for people. Reason 1, that I got off my sources from yesterday, my websites. Social media is beneficial because it can spread important information quickly. Reason 2, so another reason that I found on a website, social media is beneficial because it can help people maintain and create friendships. And my third one, social media is beneficial because it can help improve social skills in shy or isolated people. Now, in all 3 of these reasons on my websites, there were some more detailed facts. There were some quotes I could use to support each of these, but I'm not adding these yet, just my reasons. So please do the same. Here we go. This is your job right here. Type in your central claim that you decided on for your essay and 3 broad reasons you're going to be able to use from the sources you chose yesterday. All right, so competitive sports are beneficial for students, or competitive sports are dangerous for students. Whatever your claim is, maybe your claim was schools should have cell phones. So whatever your claim is, you type it here. And then 3 broad reasons. So for example, if your claim was competitive sports are beneficial for students, maybe reason 1 is competitive sports teach social skills. Competitive sports have physical benefits for students, okay? Or maybe competitive sports decrease risky behavior in teens. So you're coming up with 3 broad reasons to support your claim, and that is it. Then turn it in, please. Okay, and then we'll go from there. Every day is going to build on the day before with our argument essay process. All right, everyone, thanks for listening.